Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It is important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has ranked TQQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. TQQQ has exceeded our expectations, delivering a gain of 15.86% since we first recommended buying it 13 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.22% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. In the short term, the ETF is situated in the upper portion of a strong and broad upward trend. This presents an excellent opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $57.45, it would indicate a more substantial rate of ascent. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential for a 49.33% change over the next 3 months. This translates to a possible return ranging between 32.64% and 51.9%. Furthermore, the 12-month trend suggests a 77.18% change over the next year, with a potential return between 16.82% and 88.29%. This means that the price could range from $65.98 to $106.35 after 1 year. Our latest update for TQQQ reveals a positive day for the ETF on Thursday, with a gain of 0.284%. On the last trading day, Thursday, January 25, 2024, the TQQQ ETF price increased from $56.32 to $56.48, marking its 6th consecutive day of gains. It's worth noting that consecutive gains like this are uncommon, so we should anticipate a temporary dip in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced a 3.62% fluctuation, reaching a low of $55.52 and a high of $57.53. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 instances, resulting in a 12.87% increase over the last 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded decreased by 15 million on the last day, with a total of 74 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $4.18 billion in value. It's important to consider that declining volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $57.90, while the lowest price was $20.13. At present, the price is 2.45% or $1.42 below the 52-week high and 70.41% or $134.40 below the all-time high on January 8, 2021, when it reached $190.88. In this video, we will be discussing the signals identified for the TQQQ ETF. The TQQQ ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $54.07 and $49.53. However, if the stock falls below these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 4, 2024, resulting in a rise of 23.29% so far. This suggests a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It is important to note that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This divergence may serve as an early warning, so it is advised to closely monitor the ETF. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence is showing a buy signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average has given a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal 54 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short-term moving average has given a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal 42 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. When it comes to support levels, TQQQ has some interesting ones just below its current level. We can see support from accumulated volume at $44.40 and $44.24. However, there's always a certain risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level. If the current support is broken, TQQQ may fall to the next support level, which in this case would be at $44.40. And if that level is also broken, the next support would be at $44.24 and $42.94. Now let's talk about the risk associated with this ETF. TQQQ has average movements during the day, and it has good trading volume. This puts the risk level at medium. On the last trading day, the ETF had a price range of $2.01, or 3.62% between its highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, the daily average volatility of the ETF has been at 3.29%. Let's now explore potential day trading levels for TQQQ. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock has the potential to move upward quickly under favorable conditions. This presents an opportunity for you to enter a position and utilize volume as an indicator for determining when to exit. On the downside, TQQQ faces its initial support level at $44.40. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. For this ETF, we recommend setting the stop loss at $54.99, which reflects a decrease of 2.64%. This ETF tends to experience moderate daily price movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 currently stands at 93, which significantly increases the risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 14 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good investment? While TQQQ shows some positive signals, we believe it may not be the best choice for a buy candidate. However, it could be considered a hold candidate or an opportunity to accumulate more shares while keeping an eye on future developments. When analyzing the volatility and market movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price of TQQQ is undervalued. As for trading on Friday, January 26th, we anticipate TQQQ to open up $0.0300 and begin trading at $56.51. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. We want to emphasize that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please share your opinions in the comments below. Additionally, we'd love to know what your target is for the ETF. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. With that being said, we hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.